Now, once I have the customer in here, I can come in and create an estimate, a sales order, an invoice, credit memo, payment, whatever the different sales transactions you're used to creating inside of QuickBooks. If I come in and create a new estimate, you can see the screen looks exactly the same. I can tab through fields similarly to how we do in QuickBooks Desktop, come down to my items, select a particular item, fill in the quantity that they need to purchase, and then I have my screen kind of zoomed in on here so you can see better, but I can hit save. As soon as I hit save, now I've come down into QuickBooks and that estimate is already here. That is how fast that sync is. Now, when I come back in to my customer center, let's say, and I click on Marjorie's News, I have it filtered over here. That estimate's in here. Let's pretend like I made a mistake on the estimate or I needed to add additional information. I can come in, add on my additional line. We're going to add some anchor adhesive. Anchor adhesive doesn't have a price set up in the system, so I might need to fix that. Hit save, so it changed the amount now to $1,630. And again, when we come down into QuickBooks here, you can see it. Boom, 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 boom. There, boop, updated. And if I open up the estimate here in QuickBooks, it is there. It is a two-way sync. If I add information here in QuickBooks, it will send it back up. It is not as fast to send it back up. It does it once a minute as opposed to once every 10 seconds.